Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another haul, part 2 of my haul from Tuesday morning that I got, excuse me, my throat, sound like I'm losing my voice, that I got at the beginning of the sale. These are the August items, and I got it the last weekend in July. This is the We Are Memory Keepers Layers Guide. So this one is $9.99. and is 201-6233. And again, I read the numbers in case you want to call the 1-800 Tuesday Morning product line. You type that number in and your zip code, and it will let you know if you have it in your area. The thing about this is that it helps anybody who is matting. If you want to do any type of matting, even if you're going to do matting for like for framing, not necessarily just scrapbooking, but framing or matting for cards, matting for layouts, as well as providing you with some rulers. But the thing about it is it gives you all these different sets of rulers, and you can use them to line up your paper, to mat different colored paper. So you get 10 different sizes, and I'll read the sizes to you. So you get 1/8, I know you probably can't see in the shine, excuse me, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 5/8, 1/16, 3/16, 5/16, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch. So those are the sizes that you get from the 3 rulers to be able to mat out a picture, you know, or frame something. So these are coming in handy as a basic tool for framing, making sure everything is equally proportioned. So that's why I got that. I picked up this paper pad. Again, I'm still, my friend and I are still trying to figure out what we're going to do for her wedding album. But buying different stuff, taking it back if she doesn't like it. But anyway, this is $4.99, perfect. I mean, it's called I Do, and this is by the Paper House. So this previously was probably Hobby Lobby because that's their paper brand. But it was $4.99, 196 2267. Do a real quick flip, and it's double-sided paper. Cut aparts. So, not sure. She still hasn't decided if she wants to do a layout or a mini album. What we're gonna do. As soon as she decides, then I will start working on that project. So, a couple of little ephemera stuff. As I mentioned in the other video, the decorative brads are out and the epoxy stickers. So this one is the Summer Fun, and I have the embossing photo, which I just showed you in the previous one, and previous haul, and the previous one before that I showed the ephemera. They also have the rosettes. I don't know if I got the rosettes or not. I can't remember. I don't think I did. And then you can find the paper pad as well. These are $1.99, 1988320, and these are the various brads. Just add some nice dimension to your paper. And these are the enamel shapes. Again, for dimension, and this they glossy, a little puffy. So that is 1988319. I picked up a second pack of the My Mind's Eye MME. My Story, because I like that one so much, and that's 1983744. So nice go for it ones. Except to go along with that wedding pad, because their colors was blue and silver. And this is $1.49, and it says Sticker Love 2012316. So it just has different things like hey love, lucky in love, be mine forever. You planted seeds of love in the empty spaces of my heart. Let's cuddle. It was always you. So just some mushy love sentiments. And then this last one is On Trend 2 by My Mind's Eye, and it's 24 journaling cards, and it's 1983742. And those are what those journaling cards look like. Double-sided. And then last I think is some embossing folders. These are Sizzix, like I mentioned, they have out Sizzix and Echo Park. And again, I filmed this a little late, so they also have out Doris. So I just show you some of the ones that I got. These are all $1.99 unless it's a double pack. I do got a couple of $3.99. Yep, I only got two in this one that are $1.99. This one is the doodlebug design wood grain, and this is an A2. And their number, in case you want to look it up on Sizzix, is 660408. But the SKU number for Tuesday morning is 1978320 for $1.99 wood grain, number 3, because there's several different wood grains. And you can do a lot with wood grain. It also kind of looks like water, or you just want something abstract. Put woodsy, outdoors, summer, all kinds of stuff. Love. This one is the Swirly Stars, and the Sizzix number is 661485. The Tuesday morning number is 1978315. Again, this is an A2. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So the next couple for these are double packs, so they're all $3.99. They are all A2 as well. These are Sizzix Tim Holtz alterations. So this one, this is a postcard in the music, and it is 1978326. So his texture fade number is 656946. And this one is bottle caps on rulers, 1978330. I thought this one was really cool because it's abstract, and I like abstract. And you can kind of, use it for several different things. 1978336, and this is waves and bubbles. And see, these also will look good on backgrounds of tags, not just cars as well. But I like those. So it's 1978336. And I don't know if I said this one number, but this is 30. This is 36. And last but not least, and this one is called Iron Gate and Starry Night set. Okay. So this one is 1978334. So you've got your Iron Gate and your Starry Night. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.